Looks super nice. You can see the world like crosses on it, which looks very sleek. Hello everyone, my name is Pierre and I'll be giving you a tour video of this Patek Philippe watch, and it's a reference number of 5164A001. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this baby up. We do have it in this beautiful brown box. Let's go ahead and open it up. Wow, it looks super majestic already, and I just opened it. It comes with this nice cloth. Go ahead and open this up. So here we have it in this brown box with the Patek logo on it. And we're gonna flick this open. And here's the watch itself. Very beautiful. It's nice and lightweight with this beautiful rubber strap. Alright, so here we have the watch right here. It's in that beautiful onyx black dial. I don't know if it's black or like grayish. It has definitely some gray to it, like towards the middle. But yeah, it looks super nice. You can see the world like crosses on it, which looks very sleek, and this whole like nice shape of the actual watch, and it just crosses through the band right here, and it goes all the way around again, showing this beautiful dial. So yeah, let's go ahead and show the condition. Here we have the bottom angle of it. Here we have the bottom left. Here we have the case side. Here we have the top left. And the top of the watch. Here's the top right. Here's the bottom right. So yeah, I love this watch. It's a beautiful watch. It really it gives out super majestic vibe. When you see this in person, it feels so light, but it's really nice. So let's go ahead and test out the functions. This is my first time holding a Patek Philippe, so I definitely feel honored. So let's go ahead and this one does have a screw down crown. And once you pop it out, you can go ahead and wind the watch here. And then popping that all the way out will change the hands. So let's go ahead and do a 24-hour sweep and check out if the date will move on its own. Yep, so it did move. It changed to the 15th. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and change it to the 6:30 position. That way we can change the dates. I guess there's only one setting for this hand. To change the actual hands, you do have to use, let's see. So this quick sets the hour hand, right? And this just sets it back. Well, this is a different hand. Whoa. So this tracks 2 time zones as well, which is very cool. To change the dates, you do need the tool that comes with this watch. The tool should be around right here. Here it is. So this one does come with a little tool to change the date. Go ahead and change it back to 6:30 just to be safe. So it is moving. You just have to keep pushing it. as you can see, and it moves the date, which is very nice. So that's how you move the dates if you want, with this little pusher. All right, next thing we're gonna go ahead and check out is the lume of this watch. So let's go ahead and turn off the light. Let's check out the lume. So it's a very bright neon green, which is nice. I love how the actual numbers of the watch also indicate or show up as well. So here's the clasp I forgot to show. Here's how it opens. It's that nice Patek Philippe. And here's that case back, that beautiful case back, where you can see all the jewels and the beautiful craftsmanship. This watch is like masterpiece. This is like the final boss of the watches. Like if you own this watch, you'll definitely like, it'll overshine all your watches in your collection, because this Patek Philippe is for sure a very nice watch. So this watch would definitely be a great keep to keep in your family, and it's a generational watch to just pass down to your kids or wherever it goes. It's a beautiful watch. But yeah, let's go over the set contents now so that we can go ahead and show off what this set comes with. So we do have the watch pillow. It's over here. Here we have it with the folio right here. It has the Patek Philippe logo. Here we have the papers it comes with. So this one comes with 2 booklets. Here's a booklet of a collection, the collector's library, it says. So it's just talking about Patek Philippe, the history of it. Here's a full moon and leap year calendar. Just shows you how to, information to know if you're setting your watch. It's also good information just to have. But yeah, they thought of everything here. I mean, they have a Patek Philippe museum and the 500 years of watchmaking history. And here we have distributors. So if you want to buy another watch, you can go ahead and do so, checking them out. Yeah, it's beautiful presentation. They really mastered just presenting the watch and the craftsmanship. Like with a watch like this, it would definitely last forever. Here we have the paper it comes with. It shows off the serial and the movement number, the reference and the caliber. Here we have the manual of the watch, all different languages. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.